Ooh, today is such a beautiful day. Came up here to see my boy, man. What the fuck is this nigga doing, bro?
Good idea.
What the fuck is you doing, bro?
Shit, tree gazing and shit, trying to, look at these bitches, see what they talking about. Spring just started, just trying to see how the motherfuckers look good and
Hold on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Say that shit with your chest, my boy. I can't hear you, fam.
Why you raising your out there, bro? We outside enjoying nature.
I'm saying, say it with your chest. I can't hear you.
I'm saying,
you whispering this shit. I wasn't ready to hear niggas whispering. We was ready to speak.
I'm talking regular dialogue, gang. I ain't trying to raise my voice. I don't do that other shit.
Game.
I'm just telling you what it is. I ain't trying to do all that screaming and shit, bro. I just got up. My baby mom keep me out the holler at night. I ain't got time for all that.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Say it with your chest. I can't hear you, big dog. I'm trying to get closer to you. I'm trying to speak louder so you can hear me what I'm saying.
Hey,
you speaking so low, I gotta speak louder so you can understand what I'm trying to talk to you.
Hey, Sergeant McNugget, back the fuck up my face, bro. You keep talking to me and shit, bro. Don't you want to be hawking down some chicken nuggets or some shit right now? Goddamn, why you trying to scream in my face like you my drill instructor or something?
Bro, I'm just saying, bro. You not talking loud enough for me, bro. You see, you not speaking with your chest.
I ain't trying to raise my voice,
right now,
bro. Y'all hear how you talking, bro? You got your voice a little too high. I ain't
then say it with your chest, bro. Say it with your chest.
I ain't trying to raise my voice, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Don't tell me like that no more, bro. I'm gonna tell you that one time calmly, cause I ain't listening. The loud nigga in the room, you was a little bitch, so I ain't even.
See, you talking you talking about talking calmly. I'm talking loudly so you can understand.
Man, y'all, bro. You sound,
speak up, bro. I don't understand what you saying. I can't hear you,
bro. You sound pussy to me. I'm just being real. Shit.
That's cool, bro. I'm happy. I still
can't
hear you though, bro.
Mama shit.
You know what God gave you?
Bro,
he gave you this. I need you to say it with that.
I had no shot match with y'all. On my mama shit, Drake gonna start shouting with y'all. I'm gonna see you can outshot that bitch on God. If you can outshot a Drake, then you a pregnant. I don't give a fuck about all that yelling and shit, bro.
Fam, I ain't gonna lie to you.
On my mama,
excuse me, I still can't hear you, bro. I please understand what I'm telling you. Say it with your chest, bro.
Put it in your ear, nigga. You hear it now?
Damn,
you hear me
bro.
now, nigga?
Damn, bro, what going on? What you up and stick on me for, bro? I'm just trying to get you.
I ain't gonna lie to you. You was doing a lot of screaming and shit. You motivated me. I ain't gonna lie. I wanna be on my MLK shit. I ain't gonna lie. Let me give you a lecture.
Yeah, I can't even lie. Woke up at like 2 o'clock and made this on the fly. Fuck that freaky bitch and kick that ass. See, I can't waste no time. Got the Uber looking stupid. Left the kids up on the eye. And when they bring up danger shit, man, they the first one for the fly. Then they block the first to die. Lead their ass up in the sky. Now they mama tryna cry. Niggas wasn't even buy that shit. Going around telling that lie. These niggas know they hoe. I don't even see out. These niggas pie. This little bitch, she from Ohio, acting like she can't get full. We got sticks up in it, Tahoe. You gon' die, you take the truck. Automatic movement in my watch, no plunging, this a bus. With that big ass chain, no boom.
Crucial 808.
Hey, scratch that, let's just get straight to the bed. High fat, it just be moving, jiggling. Pour up a 4 till I can't feel my kid, and free up